If you remember from the introductory video, we had the motor control module here, and this is the Arduino Mega, which is hooked up to all of the sensors. Right now there's only the two, but there'll be more. And the robot is designed to go this way. This is the front. The front has this spinning wheel, which is a problem. That spinning wheel does not like to climb over anything. And if I could get the robot going this way, so that's the front, these wheels can climb over all kinds of stuff, and this one just kind of follows to keep things balanced. But unfortunately, these posts do not line up well with the spots underneath to turn the robot body around. The size of the thing fits nicely, but the holes are a little bit off. So I'm going to have to build something that kind of connects these to the holes under here so that they'll be lined up properly, and I can have the front of the robot right here. Because if you look, you can see that hole is off, that hole is off, these holes are going to be off. But I can build a plate or something that will make those connect, and that will make the robot go that way. Now, that being said, there's still a problem with this Mega, because even though it looks like there's a lot of room there, and actually if I turned it around this way, there's quite a bit of room right there. But this piece, it was bumping in here, and it was not fitting well to set it down there. So I may consider taking that Mega and either putting it right here on the wall and running wires down, or you never know, I may put it somewhere else. I'm still trying to decide how I'm going to do that. And maybe I might just opt for, if I make this the front, there's plenty of room under there for the Mega. I don't know if you could make it out from that distance, but there's plenty of room, except these DuPont connectors come up pretty high onto this cassette tape thing. So I'm thinking the whole idea is just there's just not enough room to mount this on here. The motor controller was just fine, but the Mega has just always been a problem. So I'm probably going to redo that. It's another case of, well, you know, we tried it one way, we tried it another way. We're going to try it the way that works finally. So, Nespresso and thinking. At some point in the real near future, I'm going to take Robie's head apart here. It looks like there's some, I've heard that the eyeballs here have flashlight bulbs in it, and there's LCDs or LED for the mouth. And I'm going to take out the flash bulbs, and I'm going to replace them with LCDs also. And I think I'm going to use white for the eyeballs and red and possibly yellow, maybe two colors for the mouth, so that it can have some bit of an animation thing going on when it's talking. It can kind of change colors. We'll see how that goes. It's just a lot of ideas boiling around down in there, but I'm going to have to take that apart and get to that. These arms, they're articulated, but they're not motor controlled. There's nothing here, but it might be possible to do something to make something there, so I'm trying to decide. The easiest part first is just not to worry about it. There's no place for the stepper motors to go in here, so I don't know if there would be room, but it would be fun to have stepper motors controlling that. It looks like this piece here controls that with these connectors. See that? So there doesn't have to be a motor here, there just has to be a motor right here that controls this movement, and maybe inside this elbow, or I guess that's the shoulder, maybe inside there's room to put a stepper motor. We'll see. I'm still thinking it would be cool to be able to have him move his arms instead of just roll around. So now that we've got him apart, we can do some more thinking about what we really want to do. But baby steps. We got it apart. We're pretty sure we want the Raspberry Pi up here. We could actually put both of the units up here, stacking one on top of the other. But we haven't decided that yet. We'll decide things as we go. But that seems to be all for now.